Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today is Monday and it's about 4 o'clock and my friend Chris is going to come over. He's a makeup artist and he does hair as well. So he's gonna do my makeup and my hair. We're doing like a wet hair look, I think, and then some cool eyeliner.
We just gelled the brows down and they're like completely flat to her face. That's what we like. You can touch them if you want.
Oh wow, I'm gonna have to use this.
Yeah, it's fire. It's fire.
Best eyebrow gel.
Yeah.
Ain't going nowhere.
Nowhere. You can swim, sleep. If you're not carving out your brows with concealer, you're doing it wrong way. So we're gonna like wait a little bit for the concealer to dry on like the face. I wait like maybe like a minute or two because it just kind of like it's just gonna slap harder. More like full coverage, like it'll be like less will be soaked into the sponge and it'll be more like on your face and look great. Okay, so for anyone wondering, we're doing like a very like pink like area in the face. Her body's like really like golden, so we're gonna like add the golden tints with powders. But right now we're using more like pink to make sure like it's nice and like bright and color corrected. She had like a little like blue discoloration and purple on her under eye, and like right now like it's gone, obviously. You can see. Alright, so we take a little bit of powder and we go from the mouth. You want to go kind of from like the smile line almost to the ear, and this will give you like that Bella Hadid chiseled, very like snatched jaw. And it doesn't have to be like even on both sides because people's faces aren't even, but you kind of just really have to follow from the lip to the ear and really just lift the whole face. I kind of like to go around the mouth as well over here to make sure it's nice and bright. And honestly, people say they leave this on for like 30 seconds. I leave this on for literally 5 minutes or more. Sometimes 40 minutes. The longest I can.
Really, so it can stay?
Yeah. I feel like just like, I don't want any oils going on the face. I don't want anything like ruining the makeup. So around the nose as well. And I also go like on the bridge of the nose. I'll show you guys right now. The sponge, I just grab a little bit of powder and literally like this. Create like kind of like a straight line. And this will help like creating like the illusion of like a more like snatched nose situation.
I feel like I'm learning so much.
Me too, shit.
And some of the under eye as well to connect like with the nose.
What are you guys doing?
Just doing some content.
Funsies!
I'm wanting to do like this like
Oh,
wet vibe on Lexi for a minute.
hello! Welcome to Lexi's channel. Today we're doing Glam by Chris Ford Beauty.
Yeah, the first.
The first!
The only.
The one!
The
This is fire. It's giving anime.
Oh, whoa, this is really cool.
It's
It kind
fire.
of also reminds me that I look like a little lion.
Yeah, it's
It's
fun.
something like fun.
Are you impossible or beyond me?
Impossible.
Impossible.
What about you? Oh, you
No,
serious?
Beyond Me? Impossible.
No, come on,
better.
bro.
Actually, it depends. I love Beyond Sausage.
Beyond sausage is fire.
No,
But
impossible tastes
Impossible
like
Burger.
beef. Sorry, impossible tastes like beef. Like
Oh, so it freaks you
Yeah,
out?
yeah, it does. But that's why I like
That's why I like it.
that's why people like it. It's because they like the taste of beef. So I'm like, nah. That's what I don't like about it.
How long have you been vegan for?
Like 8 years, and I was vegetarian for like 3 years before that.
People who eat meat, it like messes with the chemical balances in your brain.
It does.
And like, there's just so many reasons to not eat meat.
It literally
and
gives
it's, like,
you calcium deficiency as well.
and cancer.
Mhm.
But it's like, pigs are smarter than dogs.
Yeah.
And so it's just sad.
It's like when people are like shocked that like in Asian cultures they eat dogs and stuff for festivals, and I'm like, wait, you just had bacon this morning. Why are you shocked?
Yeah.
So this is the golden powder I was talking about. That's just like gonna bring everything all the warmth back into her skin. Make her look less picky. Alright, so now I'm like doing blush and I'm using Makeup by Mario Poppy Pink. It's like a very bright, and you can tell it is used and abused. And we're doing a lot, mainly because we're gonna do like photography after, and I feel like it really looks beautiful in pictures, but also in real life. And also like blush like goes away like so quickly. Like I feel like in 30 minutes your skin will just like eat everything up, and it won't be as bright. And I feel like it just looks prettier when it's like, it's more in right now. I feel to have like a very like bright pink blush and then just like have it blended up into the under eye. Alright guys, so we're gonna do lashes and we're gonna do this, I think it's called the Meteorites by Raquel Beauty. They're like individual lashes. Just do like 2 or 3 pieces if you want, and I feel like it'll really complement this look a lot.
I really like my eyebrows like this. I need to learn how to do this.
That way. Because I kind of want it to fall on the face. Like maybe like a piece or 2
Oh yeah, no.
onto the face as well. Yeah, I have extensions, but I feel like your hair is like super long. I was gonna use like a mix of different sprays and wet the hair down in sections and put some products in them as well. The Tangler spray. We could just use water, but we bougie here.
What is this?
This is the Tangler, like from Unite, so it's like kind of like a conditioner. It stays longer than, like, it makes your hair kind of like more like greasier, so it won't like dry out like water will.
This is the finished look.
Cute, right? We're gonna take some pics. Look on Lexi, nice wet hair, and then we did this like fun double, triple, quadruple liner on her with fun gloss and stuff, and I think she looks awesome. And you guys, the pictures she's gonna post in this,
Crazy.
10 out of fucking 10. So nice working with her.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me, all the links down below, and follow him as well.
You can follow me on @ChrisGeorges on Instagram and It's Chris Georges on TikTok.
Will also be all linked down below. Thank you.
Bye guys.